Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another mind-expanding episode of our channel. Today, we have an extraordinary topic that will empower you to unlock your full potential. You are watching Journey to Greatness, and this is how to compete with yourself and level up your life. The power of personal competition. Imagine a world where you compete with no one but yourself. It's a concept that might sound counterintuitive, but trust me, it's a game changer. Competition can be fierce out there, but the real battle is within you. Embrace the growth mindset. The first step to competing with yourself is adopting a growth mindset. This means embracing challenges, seeing failures as opportunities for growth, and constantly seeking improvement. Remember, you are a work in progress, an ever-evolving masterpiece. Embrace the discomfort of growth, push your limits, and defy your own expectations. Set meaningful goals. To compete with yourself effectively, you need a roadmap. Set meaningful goals that align with your passions and values. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals, as some call them. Track your progress. Now that you have your goals, track your progress. Keep a journal, use apps, or create a vision board. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and use the insights gained to fuel your drive towards self-improvement. Cultivate discipline and consistency. To compete with yourself successfully, you must cultivate discipline and consistency. Develop healthy habits, establish routines, and commit to your growth journey every single day. Seek continuous learning. Knowledge is power, my friends. Invest in your personal development through books, courses, podcasts, or mentors. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge your thinking. Remember, the more you learn, the more you'll have to bring to the table when competing with your past self. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. Remember, every setback is an opportunity to bounce back stronger than before. Celebrate your progress. It's essential to acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and give yourself a pat on the back. Celebrate both the small victories and the major milestones because they are all stepping stones towards your ultimate success. Embrace healthy competition. While the focus is on competing with yourself, it's also crucial to embrace healthy competition with others. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who push you to excel and inspire you to reach new heights. Let their success ignite your competitive spirit, motivating you to strive for greatness. Find your why. To truly compete with yourself, you must uncover your why. What drives you? What is your purpose? Discovering your deepest motivations will fuel your determination and keep you going when challenges arise. Your why will be the compass that guides you towards your ultimate goals. Practice self-care. Remember, self-improvement isn't just about pushing yourself relentlessly. It's crucial to take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Prioritize self-care practices such as exercise, meditation, quality sleep, and nurturing relationships. A healthy, balanced you is better equipped to compete and succeed. Embrace adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change along your journey. Embrace adaptability and be open to adjusting your strategies and goals as needed. Flexibility is the key to thriving in a dynamic world and staying one step ahead of your former self. Pay it forward. As you grow and compete with yourself, don't forget to give back. Share your knowledge, experiences, and successes with others. Lift them up and inspire them to embark on their own self-improvement journeys. Remember, true fulfillment lies in helping others become the best versions of themselves. Conclusion. And there you have it, my friends. Competing with yourself is the ultimate path to personal growth and success. By adopting a growth mindset, setting meaningful goals, tracking your progress, and embracing healthy competition, you'll unlock your full potential and create a life that surpasses your wildest dreams. So I challenge you today to step up and embark on this incredible journey of self-competition. Break free from limitations, defy your past self, and become the best version of you. Remember, the only person you need to compete with is the person you were yesterday. So go out there and conquer. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And as always, stay tuned for our next adventure into personal excellence. This is Journey to Greatness, signing off. Keep competing, keep growing, and keep winning in the game of life.